There are dog people and there are cat people, like me. But there's a guy in Hong Kong who felt that cats and dogs were too boring and decided to go with this. Why and how? In Hong Kong, I met Uncle Yong.
我係南丫島阿勇伯，嗱嗰隻就係我老闆嚟㗎，我養到佢12年幾啊咯，不過而家就好聽話，我都好開心。
Uncle Yong is an old grandpa, and like old people, he sometimes feels lonely, very lonely. So 8 years ago, Uncle Yong decided it was time for him to get a pet. And so, one day, he stumbled upon this tiny baby lizard in a pet shop.
大多數話就都係4、5尺到啊，個長啊，就用而家咁大隻啊。
So Uncle Yong paid the owner $750 and adopted this lizard. And that became a problem. In the beginning, he had to tie him up because Boss, the lizard name, kept jumping on people. He kept buying new clothes because Boss would destroy them and he wouldn't even know when to feed him.
嗰時候養嗰時候就好唔聽話㗎，一日落地嗰時就追佢唔到㗎，好咩㗎？而家養夠啊，而家就好乖咯。
In 8 years, this lizard has never made a sound, not even once. But despite all of that, Uncle Yong and Boss are BFFs. They go to the sea together. They take sun baths. They even give each other massages.
我朝頭早起身就帶佢出嚟曬一陣太陽，之後9點零鐘啊，曬完太陽就餵佢食嘢，食咗嘢我出去飲茶。
All that Boss needed was some veggies, leaves, and a few worms to open up to his new friend.
佢乖乖啲咯，唔會咩嗰度。我正常有得寄託咯，有佢陪我玩啊。
Soon, people started to stop Uncle Yong on the street to ask about Boss. Small kids would play with him, tourists would take selfies, and the most courageous grown-ups would even ask him to jump on their heads.
都係一個人啊，就有一間屋仔自己。我哋啊就咁樣，個孫仔啊都好中意啊玩嗰個老闆嘅，個個都同佢玩嘅。
When he first bought Boss, Uncle Yong thought he was only making one new friend. But because of Boss, Uncle Yong is now friends with the entire island. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Nas Daily. Nas means people in Arabic, humans. And we are on a mission to show you the stories of humans from all around the world. I'm actually very excited about the videos we're working on. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you don't miss a video. We think everybody in the world should watch them. Thank you and see you soon.